Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the Mywisely mobile banking app, developed by ADP. This app is designed to help users manage their finances, offering features like early direct deposit, budgeting tools, and secure transactions. This video explains the app's purpose, key features, advantages, drawbacks, and user feedback to help determine if it's suitable for your financial needs. The Mywisely app allows users to access their pay up to 2 days early by opting into early direct deposit. It also provides tools for budgeting, such as the savings envelope feature, which lets users allocate funds into virtual envelopes for specific goals. Additionally, the app offers real-time transaction alerts and integrates with mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for contactless payments. Security features include biometric authentication and instant card lock capabilities. Users can manage their accounts by viewing balances, transaction history, and pending transactions. The app supports money transfers to other Mywisely users or external bank accounts and allows for bill payments directly from the app. It also provides access to a network of fee-free ATMs and offers cashback rewards at participating merchants through the Dosh Rewards program. While the app has many advantages, some users have reported issues. For instance, one user mentioned the inability to view pending funds on the homepage, leading to confusion about available balances. Another user expressed frustration over customer service, citing a lack of communication when their card was deactivated during a dispute process. Additionally, some users have experienced technical glitches and limited customer support options. Overall, the Mywisely app offers a range of features aimed at helping users manage their finances effectively. Its strengths lie in early direct deposit, budgeting tools, and security measures. However, potential users should be aware of reported customer service issues and technical limitations. Considering these factors can help determine if the Mywisely app aligns with your financial management needs. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorabis@gmail.com.